Welcome to Rheem Tech Tips. Rheem New Zealand Limited does not in any way endorse the installation or maintenance of Rheem products by an unlicensed practitioner. The work shown in this video is provided as a guide only. Full instruction manuals are available online from My Rheem Pro.
This time we're going to show how to check and diagnose inlet gas control faults on Rheem Series 2 gas continuous flow water heaters. The inlet gas valve assembly consists of a solenoid valve and the proportional gas flow regulator. The solenoid will open to allow gas to flow, and the proportional gas flow regulator, or PGFR, controls the burner gas pressure in the range set by the PCB high and low settings. If this valve develops a fault, either no gas will flow or the burner pressure would be incorrect, leading to error code 11 and 12, and also poor water heater performance if the burner pressure is low. Any faults relating to gas supply to the burner should always begin with checking the inlet working pressure and also checking the high and low burner pressure settings. This is set out in Tech Tips number 2. If this has already been done, we can start electrical testing using a multimeter to see where the fault is inside the unit. Remove the screw and pull out the PCB to locate connector I. We will refer to pin numbers and the colour of the attached wire throughout these tests. With power on and water flowing, use a test meter to measure the voltage between pin 11 black and pin 12 yellow. The reading should be between 9 and 15 volts DC. If there is no voltage detected, the PCB should be replaced. If there is voltage in the correct range, turn off mains power and disconnect the plug at connector I on the PCB. And use a test meter set to ohms to measure between pin 11 black and pin 12 yellow. The reading should be between 17 and 27 ohms. If the reading is not correct, the inlet solenoid is faulty and the gas valve assembly should be replaced. If the reading is correct, the proportional gas flow regulator should be tested next. With power on and water flowing again, use a test meter to measure voltage between pin 5 black and pin 6 red. The reading should be between 1.5 and 14 volts DC. If this is not correct, the PCB is faulty and should be replaced. If the voltage is correct, turn off power and unplug connector I from the PCB and measure the resistance between pin 5 black and pin 6 red. This reading should be between 40 and 80 ohms. If the resistance is not correct or is open circuit, check the wiring connections at the PGFR. If these are all good, the PGFR is faulty, so the inlet gas valve assembly should be replaced. If the resistance is correct and you have already tried setting the burner pressures as described in Tech Tips number 2 and adjustment was not achieved, the PGFR has a mechanical fault and will still need to be replaced.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget, full product details, spare parts, installation and service manuals are all available through My Rheem Pro. Also, our nationwide service centre network can provide further product support if required. So just reach out to the team.